Let's check out the KellOfAPlan Spring Release. Hi everyone, this is Angie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I welcome you and I hope you'll stick around. If you're a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, we're going to do a detailed flip through of the new spring release by KellOfAPlan. This releases on Friday, February 7th at 10 a.m. Central Time, and I thought we'd have a look at these little beauties. So I'm going to move everything out of the way, and we're going to get started with spring florals. If you'll notice, this says it is volume 2. However, when Heather went to load this on her website, she realized this actually should have been volume 3. So if you've been collecting these books all along, then you'll have an insider scoop knowing that this actually is volume 3. But let's go ahead and get into it. I did a quick flip through these earlier this week just so that I could film a short and a reel, and I have not gotten to look at them very closely. So I'm excited to look at these. So for starters, do y'all notice anything different? We've got the long box back in this particular sticker book, and I'm loving that, and I love these pastel shades. So we're going to get 2 pages of functional boxes. We've got some monthlies here, and these are also cut for the monthly. Then we've also got 2 pages of illustrations on clear paper. And each of these pages is different, so you get 2 varieties. The next set, we've got some darker pinks. Again, we've got the same layout on the boxes with this longer one here. More monthlies. And this time we've got tulips. I love these. And a slightly different collection here. Same tulips, but different pictures. These are pretty. These colors are very bright. Oh, we've got daisies on this one. Next set. These are some lighter shades. These are really pretty. I'm so excited to have the long box back. Oh, I love these. These are just screaming Easter Sunday to me. Pretty. We've got gray, black, and pink in here. Oh, these are gorgeous. I'm going to hold these up so y'all can see it just a little closer. These are beautiful, very feminine. Oh, these are gorgeous. In this set, we've got some lined florals. You can see the detail on these. These are gorgeous. Second page. This collection is for you Texas bluebonnet lovers. How gorgeous is that? We've never had bluebonnet stickers before. I love these. And then on this side, we've got some little cowboy boots. How cute. And then in the back, we've got 2 pages of quotes. Spring words, spring cleaning, Easter, variety of quotes here. And we have 2 pages of those. So that is Spring Florals Volume 2, actually Volume 3. Next up, we've got Spring Icons Volume 2. This one is also really cute. I need to really stretch it out here. Nice bright colors on this one. Let's see, did this one also has the long box. Okay, good. And I like that we're getting monthly options in these various collections too. We don't always tend to get those, but I love them. Nice bright colors for Easter. I love these. These are so cute. Pretty. My pages are trying to close. More monthlies. I'm loving those. So it looks like that's going to be our standard layout on the functional boxes. How cute are these? This hat says Plant Life. So here we've got gardening. Love the plants. There's a cute little coffee. Next set. Honey. That little bee is giving me some Bridgerton vibes. Cute. Nice bright green and bright yellow. We got St. Patrick's Day. These are cute. Just in the nick of time because I do not really have any St. Patrick's Day stickers. And I like that we've got smaller ones here. These would be great for a mini or for your monthly. A little change of pace on these colors. Oh, these are pretty. These are making me think of a flower shop. Crazy Plant Lady, Watch Me Grow. My Garden Feeds My Soul. Planting Journal. Fresh cut flowers. These are cute. Oh, look at that bunny. I love the tiered tray here. Oh, nice pretty pastels. We got a lemonade and picnic scene going here. I love this cake. It's kind of giving me a Sunday brunch in the vibes feel. A Sunday brunch in the vibes. Sunday brunch in the park feel. These are cute. And I love these. These are kind of a vintagey muted type tone. Tulips. Very pretty, cute little doggy down here with some flowers in his mouth. We have two cats. They've also got flowers. And then we've got quotes back here. Now back here, this is a little different. We've got a spring bucket list. Visit a tulip farm. I would love to do that. Tulips and sunflowers are my favorite. We have 2 pages of those. And that is it for Spring Icons Volume 2. Again, these release on Friday, February 7th. I will leave a link in the description box. Okay, this one is a completely new. This is bows and florals, and this is so pretty. I love the colors in here. Look at these pinks, y'all. Now, we don't have the long box here, but we do have this double box. Second page, same boxes. Look at this blue. How gorgeous. And then we come into the greens. These are stunning colors. This color palette is just beautiful. And here we've got all the colors on the same page. Look how pretty those are. And I love having all of these header boxes and bullet points. We have 2 pages of these. And now we're into some dashboard stickers. If you're using the KellOfAPlan dashboard planner, these are cut for her dashboard. So you know how you have that long page on the left that's blank? These are great for that page. Otherwise, you can make these work in whichever planner you're currently using. Here we've got a really long box, and we've got our monthly boxes that are cut for the date. More dots. We have 2 pages of this one. And then we've got hexagons. I don't know if y'all remember my recent experience with hexagons. It was definitely trial and error, but in the end, I ended up loving it. So I'm excited to have more hexagons to play with. Okay, y'all, check out these bows. There is a huge variety of different types of bows. All in blue. We get 2 pages of these. Same bows, but in pink with some deeper mauve colors. 2 pages of those. And check out these florals. How beautiful. In this book, I'm seeing baby shower, bridal shower, Mother's Day brunch. There are so many possibilities in here. Love these side flowers. And here we've got some bouquets, wreaths. Really pretty. And when you take these out of the book, this would be open. This is not a sticker right here. The sticker only goes on the outer perimeter. So you can still write in your planner there. And that's how all of these are. Little bows are really cute. Okay, here are those decorative boxes. And look at these checklists. So, so pretty. The dots on the checklist are colored. I'll hold these up so y'all can have a little bit of a closer look. Hope I got that in frame. My camera sits taller than my face, so I can't really tell, but I'm doing my best. These are really pretty. I love the darker tone here too, and I think these bullet points might be a little bit smaller than the ones in the front of the book. These boxes have the rose detail, and the dot on the checklist is that maroon color. And I'm going to turn just a little so y'all can see these. How cute. We've got 2 pages of these. And look at these cute, cute little alphas. Each letter has a little bow on it. So we've got uppercase alpha. And these down here at the bottom are a slightly smaller size. Love that little bow detail. Second page. And then we go into our lowercase letters, also with the bow detail. Two pages of those. And that is it for Bows and Florals. That is super cute. So those are the new books that, like I said, release on Friday. Now, when I purchased mine, she also had a sale on the I Love Spring, and this was the only I Love book that was missing from my collection. So I wanted to be sure and grab this one. If you have an opportunity to pick this up, I do recommend it. This is last year's book, but, you know, spring and florals never go out of style. So for those of you that don't have this book, I thought we'd go ahead and flip through this one as well. So we've got some bright colors here. I like the double box. Plenty of bullet points. So we've got 1 page of functional boxes, 1 page of decorative boxes. Of course, those are on paper. And then we have our illustrations on clear. Second page of illustrations. Love these daisies. And a 3rd page of illustrations. And on the 3rd page, you also get some quotes. This is our second set. This is kind of a peach color. And this color here is what I would refer to as like a stormy blue. This is a Mother's Day collection. Lots of mamas. Mamas with girls, mamas with boys. Florals and treats. Oh, look at those macarons. 3rd page has the quotes and some more florals. To the world you are a mother, but to your family you are the world. That's so cute. Now we're moving into some really bright colors. Decorative stickers. If you don't decorate for Easter, this set is not lost on you because only 1 sticker actually says Easter. And this one just says hop. The others are pretty generic. Decorative illustrations. More illustrations. And here's our floral page with quotes. I love these colors. She also, FYI, she had a notebook that released with this artwork in it. I don't know if she still has that available. It was there when I made my order, so if you're interested in a notebook, you might check that out. Next color palette. Pretty basket of flowers. I love these. These girls are pretty. Kind of a boho. How pretty. If y'all are wondering, this sticker is on its own and this one's individual. Got more quotes here. Next color palette. This book is thick. Remember, she was combining the florals with the icons. This one's a Paris theme. This is really pretty. Love the little Parisian girls. When I was in Paris, I did not see anyone dressed like this, but you know, we all think that that's how Parisians dress every day. Just like I'm from Texas, I'm sure everyone thinks we have an oil rig and a horse in the backyard. Oh, I love these floral bouquets. Very pretty. And I like that there's a lot of greenery in them too. Next color palette. Tulips, love. Pretty illustrations. Like the coffee with the flowers. These are gorgeous. These are big. I like them. This looks like traditional Easter colors to me. Oh, but it's spring cleaning. I love these colors. I probably won't use those cleaning stickers, but you know I'm going to use these florals and probably this quote that says, housework can't kill you, but why take a chance? Next collection. More tulips, little doggy. Rain boots. Love the floral bouquets. Oh, we got a kitty cat and a dog on this one. Love the hyacinths. Next set. More housework. I'm not into housework. I mean, it has to be done, but you know. Oh, this room spray is scented as Grandma's Biscuits. That's cute. Oh, now I do like these. I love hydrangeas. Very pretty. And I like these little jewel tones. We have a jewel tone collection back here. These are pretty. Now we're into the gardening. I'd rather garden than clean. Oh, these are really nice. And there's our last page with quotes and more florals. So that is it for the I Love Spring. So the current collection that's releasing is Bows and Florals, Spring Icons Volume 2, and Spring Florals Volume 3. So I hope y'all consider picking these up. I hope you enjoyed my flip through. If you did, please let me know by clicking on the like button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're planning on picking up and what you think about this collection. Like I said, I will leave an affiliate link in the description box, and I'd love it if y'all would choose to shop through that link and support my channel. Y'all have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, please go on and hit that subscribe button and come on back and see me in the next video. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy shopping. Bye.